Hello everyone, and today we are going to Zara home, like to feel this atmosphere of Christmas and happy and New Year. Okay, I'm going to show you Zara home here in Russia and a little bit a shopping mall called Европейский, and then we went to Ikea, Russian Ikea. I hope that it will be really interesting for you to know how it looks like here. So let's go. So in Zara we don't have any special Christmas ornaments and something like this, so it is not really interesting. That is why I'm going to find something else here in this shopping mall and to show you. So let's go and try to find something interesting here. So it's great that in this shop there are something interesting, so that is why I can show you something here. And moreover, we have a little market here, so let's see. Hello everyone, and today we are in Russian Ikea, and I hope that this vlog will be really interesting for you, because I think that you would like to know how it looks like in Russia. So I'm going to show you Ikea in Russian, so let's go. My breakfast here, it is cottage cheese and broccoli, coffee, water and Ikea. I'm going to find some Christmas decorations, and I think that they are really beautiful here because I've listened to it. guys very much for watching this video. I hope that it was interesting for you. So to learn something new about Russia, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So bye, see you soon.